Let's be honest, trading on gut feeling is exhausting. You're constantly guessing, second-guessing, and feeling like you're always one step behind the market. Well, in this explainer, we're putting a stop to that. We're going on a journey from the absolute chaos of emotional trading to the cold, undeniable logic of a quantitative framework. We're going to replace all that panic and hype with a rigorous mathematical system that actually lets you read the market's true intentions. It's time to take a calm, authoritative approach to your capital.
Okay, let's dive right into our roadmap for doing exactly that. First, we'll talk about stopping the habit of blind trading. Then, we'll unpack a specific setup called piercing 3 MAs. Third, we'll run through a real-world case study on DSGN. After that, we'll cover a critical bearish warning sign. And finally, we'll wrap up with the core trading mindset you absolutely need to make this work.
All right, part 1. Stop blind trading. No more guessing.
This addresses a universal pain point for pretty much anyone who's ever traded. We all know that frustrating, endless cycle, right? You get caught up in the hype, you chase a stock hitting new highs, and then you panic sell the second it pulls back. That's emotional trading. It's driven by fear, guessing, and intuition. And quite frankly, it is a proven recipe for failure. To survive, we have to flip the script entirely to systematic trading. This means relying solely on objective data, strict volume criteria, and moving averages. We are literally replacing incredibly unreliable human gut feelings with a cold calculating machine that only speaks one language, and that's math.
Moving to part 2, let's analyze exactly what we mean by one candlestick piercing 3 moving averages.
This right here is the cornerstone of our entire framework. And I want to be clear, this isn't some random market noise. It's a mathematically strict anomaly. The one candlestick piercing 3 moving averages pattern requires a single, overwhelmingly powerful bullish candlestick. For it to trigger, this candlestick has to surge over 5% on massive volume. But that's not all. It must simultaneously pierce and break above 3 distinct short-term moving averages, specifically the 5-day, 10-day, and 20-day lines. Think of it like a sword cleanly slicing through layers of heavy resistance.
So what's actually powering this move? We call it the engine. Before this kind of explosive breakout happens, you'll usually notice moving averages tightly coiled together. That indicates a prolonged standoff, a period where buyers and sellers are just totally deadlocked. So when that single bullish candlestick violently shatters that consolidation on high volume, that is not a bunch of retail traders getting lucky. That is a massive influx of institutional capital stepping in and forcing a strong, undeniable consensus.
Which brings us to part 3. Let's look at the DSGN case study to see how this theory maps to reality.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're looking for. Right there on the chart, you've got this singular dominant bullish candlestick, triggering the one candlestick piercing 3 moving averages pattern on incredible volume. You can clearly see it just breaking straight upward through that tight cluster of moving average lines, specifically punching through the 10.458 and 10.751 levels in one aggressive, unquestionable thrust. It is a textbook visual of institutional money seizing total control.
But here's the thing, we never trust just our eyes. We always verify with the hard data. And for DSGN, the math aligned perfectly. We saw an 11.29% daily search, which effortlessly clears our 5% minimum threshold. Volume rocketed to nearly 390,000, and crucially, the momentum indicators totally agreed. The MACD printed a positive cross at exactly 0.096, and the KDJ indicator formed a beautiful golden cross right alongside it.
This is why we strictly enforce a 3-step verification process. You literally cannot skip these. Step 1, you need that massive price and volume surge. Step 2, an effective moving average breakout, cleanly clearing those lines. And step 3, momentum resonance, meaning your secondary indicators like MACD and KDJ absolutely must confirm the underlying strength. Checking off this rigorous list is how you filter out the false signals and focus exclusively on setups with ironclad mathematical proof. All right, part 4. The bearish candlestick warning. This is where capital preservation comes in.
Now, what's really interesting here, and absolutely vital for your portfolio's survival, is that in quantitative trading, recognizing extreme danger is just as important as finding the perfect entry signal. We have our beautiful bullish breakout setup, but we also have its devastatingly evil twin. We call it the bearish warning. This occurs when one bearish candlestick engulfs 3 bullish candlesticks. It is the exact sinister mirror image of our breakout pattern, and it demands your immediate attention.
You need to think of this massive bearish candlestick as the ultimate highest-level air raid siren. If you see a single drop instantly erase the hard-fought gains of the previous 3 days, meaning the stock is plunging so hard it takes out the opening prices of the preceding candles, that tells you there is a total, fatal exhaustion of buying power. There is no hoping it turns around. It is a strict, non-negotiable exit signal demanding immediate evacuation from the trade.
And that leads us to our fifth and final section, the core trading mindset.
Because listen, even the most sophisticated quantitative screening in the world is completely useless if you don't have an ironclad, disciplined mindset to execute it. Let's walk through the mechanical, almost robot-like execution of that DSGN trade we looked at earlier. Step 1. We absolutely do not blindly chase the high. Instead, we wait patiently for a pullback into our disciplined entry zone, right between 1045 and 1075. Step 2. We set a hard, non-negotiable stop loss exactly below the starting bullish candlestick, precisely at 1044. And step 3, we set our target at the upper MA200 line, which sits right around 1220. It's not a gamble, it's a completely calculated, risk-defined mission.
To actually execute this efficiently across an entire market, we use quantitative tools that act as a ruthless filter. We literally program our software with the strictest parameters. Show me only stocks with greater than a 5% gain, more than double their average daily volume, and instantly exclude anything with less than a $5 billion circulating market cap. Doing this instantly scans thousands of stocks, kills all the distracting market noise, and leaves only these high-probability, golden setups right on your screen. This all boils down to a pretty profound philosophical core, mapping ancient concepts directly to modern, emotionless execution. Precept: you must patiently wait for the mathematical signal. Concentration: when that signal triggers, you execute your plan without a single millisecond of hesitation. Wisdom: you remain perfectly calm, cold, and calculated, even in extreme market volatility. So here is the ultimate question I'll leave you with. The math works, the data is crystal clear, and the framework for success is mapped out right in front of you. Are you finally ready to eliminate the emotional self, drop the fear and greed, and start executing with cold, data-driven precision? Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.